To check your transaction history on Bitstamp, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and access your transaction records efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bitstamp website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use a secure connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. This is usually the main page that appears after logging in, where you can see an overview of your account. Step 3. Access the transaction history section. Look for the transaction history or history tab in the navigation menu. Click on this tab to proceed to your transaction records. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transactions. After filtering, review the list of transactions displayed. You can click on individual transactions for more details, such as dates, amount, and transaction ID. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Bitstamp. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your trading activity and account balance.